Okay, everybody, next up is Lawrence. Lawrence is in his first year of university. He's studying music, of course. He's in a rock band as well. And today he's going to be singing a Sondheim song called Being Alive.
Somebody hold me too close. Somebody hurt me too deep. Somebody sit in my chair and ruin my sleep and make me aware of being alive. Being alive. Somebody know me too much. Somebody know me too well. Somebody pull me up short and put me through hell and give me support for being alive. Make me alive. Make me alive. Make me confused. Mock me with praise. Somebody crown me with love. Somebody force me to care. Somebody make me come through. I'll always be there, as frightened as you, to help us survive. Being alive. Being alive. Being alive.
That was very high for a baritone, but well done. Right, the next song is Keep Flames Alive, I believe. So, we are looking for James and Tara. Now, this is the part of the concert where it's going to get really exciting, because I wrote this song. It's from an original musical that I'm writing. It's called Merlin the Musical, maybe I'm Merlin, or maybe Merlin and I haven't quite got the name right yet. But it's something to do with Merlin. James and Tara are kind of in love in this duet. Oh no, well, she's just been made. She's a bit of Frankenstein. She's been made out of flowers. And poor old James cannot have a mortal woman. I'll leave you to it. It's not enough now. Enjoy it.
Of nature's creed, from flowers born, trees of branches gold, twine from nature's thorns. Oh, so frail, so young, yet untouched and pure. Make my life complete. Rise from nature's core. Will you be the sunshine in my sorrow? Will you be my shelter in the rain? Always bring me new tomorrows. Always share my pain. fight the demons, be my angel. Guide me through each battle that unfolds. Will you be my new tomorrow? Oh, my lonely nights, keep the flames alight when cold.
I erase what's past, make the future bright. Ease your evil curse, keep the flames alight. I hope they die.
Change
I was
my
born, trees of golden
Could
wine,
keep
his
me
bones. I will learn to sweet to love you, always lead the sun to warm you.
Could you make me whole?
I will be the comfort in your sorrow. I will be your shelter when it rains. I'll be spring you new tomorrows. Always share your pain.
Help me fight the demons, be my angel. Guide me through each battle that unfolds. Will you be my summer memory? All my lonely nights when cold.
I'll warm your lonely nights.
Flames alight when cold.
Ah, that was lovely, wasn't it? I was so myself. I think I'll go with this one because I'm tall. It's me next, apparently. Oh my word. Next song is from We Will Rock You. I'll try and remember the words. I kind of love them. No, it's not, is it? It is from We Will Rock You. Somebody to Love. My version. to real proper music now. And it's Tara, Bloody Web. The Woman Made of Flowers. I wrote this song. It's fantastic. It's a madrigal that you're going back to medieval times, 12th century. And it's called My Paradise of Life.
Will take my soul. No man will cage my spirit. Is it therefore wrong for me to seek my Lord's death? My time has come to seek revenge. I pray to God on high. My heart I give to the meadows green, where summers never die. My paradise of life.
Master of the house. Everybody up on stage. I'd like to introduce the soloist in this song, a very old good friend of mine, Stephen Evans, from Carmarthen. Yay! Hurry up, hurry up. Thank you.
Hello, my darlings. Welcome, monsieur. Sit yourself down and meet the best innkeeper in town. As for the rest, all of them crooks, rooking the guests and cooking the books. Seldom do you see honest men like me, a gent of good intent who's content to be master of the house, dining at the chop, ready with a handshake and an outward palm. Tells a saucy tale, makes a little stir. Customers appreciate a bon vivant. Glad to be friends of favour. Doesn't cost me to be nice. Nothing gets you nothing, everything has got a little price. Master of the house, keeper of the zoo, ready to relieve them of a spill or two. Water in the wine, making up the weight, picking up the knickknacks when they can't see straight. Everybody loves the landlord, everybody's boots are friend. I'll do whatever pleases Jesus, don't obey me. Master of the house, when you catch your eye, never was a master by the passing by. Step to the poor, thunder to the great. Number of philosopher and landlord mates. Everybody's good companion, everybody's sure. But look if you pleases Jesus, what us king isn't about. Enter, monsieur, lay down your load, and lace your boots and rest from the road. All this weighs a ton, travel's a curse, but you will strive to line your purse. Here the goose is cooked, here the fat is fried, and nothing's overlooked till I'm satisfied. Food beyond compare, food beyond belief. Mix it in a mixer and pretend it's beef. Kidney of a horse, liver of a cat, filling up the sausages with this and that. The residents are more than welcome, provided and sweet as you paid. Reasonable charges plus some little extras on the side. Charge them with the nice, extra with the mice. 2% for looking in a mirror twice. You're a little slut, they're a little cut. 3% for sleeping with a window shut. When it comes to fixing prices, there are lots of tricks he knows. And with all increases, all the bits and pieces, Jesus is amazing how he grows. Master of the house, if you catch your eye, never was a master by a passing by. Serve to the poor, thunder to the great. Nothing of the master by a landlord mate. Everybody's good companion, everybody's drinking glass. Dirty bunch of Jesus, Jesus, what a sorry little lot.
Wonderful, thank you very much, Steve and chorus. And can I just say that Stephen is actually playing the lead role of Merlin in my musical, I Merlin, or Merlin the Musical, whatever it's going to be called. Thank you. Right, next up. Oh, one of my songs. This one is called Where Do I Go From Here? It's a mezzo in despair. She loves him, but he goes off and marries somebody else. Anna, where are you? I'd like to say as well, she's my daughter. She's only 14. She's taller than me already. Where do I go from here? Over to you, darling.
We laughed away the hours. We spoke of childhood dreams when our world was a little younger. Though we cried, they were happy tears. Now I know we were never meant to be. The gift of time was ours to share a precious while. But today the tides are slowly changing. All beliefs are swept aside. Now I know he will not be mine. Where do I go from here? Guide me, answer my prayer. All my life, hope has been a shadow. Tell me he'll still care. Where do I go from here? Someone show me the way to live my life with only distant memories when I've loved him for so many years. I'll hide behind my smile. For him, I should be strong. Through my grief, I could always serve him. Offer solace when he's wronged. Heaven knows, where do I belong? Where do I go from here? Where do I go from here? Dear Lord, kindle my fears. Can I live this life within His shadow? I love Him. Where do I go from here?
Well, that was dramatic. She follows somebody in the family. Next up, a very, very talented young man. Do you know he's only 19? He's studying at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama at the moment. He's already written 2 musicals. And he's just been given the part of Judas in Jesus Christ Superstar. And the song he's chosen to play the piano on and sing at the same time is Too Much Heaven on My Mind. Connor.
Messiah, and they'll hurt you when they find they're wrong. I remember when this whole thing began. No talk of God, then we called you a man. And believe me, my admiration for you hasn't died. But every word you say today gets twisted round some other way, and they'll hurt you when they find you blind. Nazareth, you're famous, and shoes your stained and print, and no, like his father Calvin would, he'd have me good. Tables, chairs, and open chests would have suited Jesus best. He'd have caused nobody harm, no one alarm. Listen, Jesus, don't care for your race. Can't you see we must keep in our place? We are occupied. Have you forgotten how put down we are? I'm frightened by the crowd. Oh, we're getting much too loud. And they'll push us if we go too far. If we go too far. Listen, Jesus, the warning I give. Please remember that I want us to live. But it's sad to see our chances weakening with every hour. Your followers are blind. Too much heaven on their minds. It was beautiful, but now it's sour. Yes, it's all God's son. Listen, Jesus, to the warning I give. Please remember that I want us to live. Now listen, Jesus, to the warning I give. I want us to live. It's
Wow, I'm breathless. Whew. I think we need to calm it down a bit. Right, back to Merlin the musical, an original musical written by myself. This is a song, again, for a man who's fallen in love with a girl. You know what it's like. The name of this song is Was I Born to Love the Rose? Or is she going to be a big mistake, basically? It's a military song. It's quite a manly song. It's a ballad. It's powerful. And James is going to sing this song tonight. He's got another lead role in my musical, of course. An amazing baritone voice. And another young talent. Over to you, James.
Alone I think, alone I try to justify this deed. An evil path now lies ahead, spiced with lust and greed. Can I kill a man and live this life, be free of guilt and shame? Do I sacrifice my father's land, my foul my name? Just because I tasted the fruits from gorgeous trees, a flower gently swaying, so soft, so sweet. Then I surrendered, bewitched, enchanted by her smile. Beauty divine, will she be mine? Will she always be my mortal soul? Was I born to love the rose? I can't imagine life without her by my side each day. Who'll keep her safe at night? I cannot let the lion take her spirit, keep her locked away. I must do what's right. One love, a song, rhythm so strong, hearts are trembled, enriched, enlightened by her touch. Passion ablaze, touched by her gaze. Will she tell me what the future holds? What I want to love, want to love. What I want to love,
The next song. Well, we've actually been asked, because a lot of people here tonight are obviously here to go and see Wicked. Fabulous show. The Wales Millennium Centre asked us to perform one song from Wicked. So I've chosen The Wizard and I, obviously. So I'd like to ask Tara and Anna to sing this together. Even though it's a solo in the show, it'll warm you up nicely for the real thing. Take your time, girls. Anna and Tara, they've not rehearsed this at all. Honestly, they really haven't. So I don't know what they're going to do. Good luck.
Many years I've waited for a gift like yours to appear. Why, I predicted the wizard could make you his magic grandier. My dear, I'll write at once to the wizard, telling of you in advance. And with a talent like yours, dear, there's a definite chance. If you work as you should, you'll be making good. You'll be making good. Did that really just happen? Have I actually understood? This weird quirk I'm trying to suppress or hide is a talent that could help me make noises if I make good. So I'll make good when I meet
We're going to Les Miserables. The soloist in this song is Robert. He has the most amazing high tenor voice. Do you hear the people sing? Thank you.
Do you hear the people sing, singing the song of angry men? It is the music of the people who will not be slaves again. When the beating of your heart echoes the beating of the drum, there is a life about to start when tomorrow comes. Will you join in our crusade? Who will be strong and stand with me? Beyond the barricade, is there a world you long to see? Then join in the fight that will give you the right to be free. Do you hear the people sing, singing the song of angry men? It is the music of the people who will not be slaves again. When the beating of your heart echoes the beating of the drum, there is a life about to stop when tomorrow comes. Will you give all you can give, so that the banner may advance? Some will fall and some will live. Will you stand up and take your chance? The blood of the martyrs will water the meadows of bronze. Do you hear the people sing, singing the song of angry men? It is the music of the people who will not be slaves again. When the beating of your heart echoes the beating of the drum, there is a life that has to run into tomorrow comes.
Okay, thank you. The very final song of our Little Hours program is going to be a song that I wrote from Merlin the Musical, and the song is called You Must Learn to Please.
Made human and revealed. Your love is like the wildest rolling sea. You should tell your soul, be the perfect one. You should be the springtime of his life. You should be the comfort and gentle. You should be the joy of his life. You should be in a forest space, the light